In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Python on Windows 10. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your web browser of choice. Then navigate to python.org. Once you get to the python.org homepage, go ahead and click on the Downloads button. And then click the button here to download the latest version for Windows. Save it to your Downloads folder. Then go ahead and open up your Downloads folder in Explorer, and then double-click on the application here to start the setup. You want to make sure that you have Add Python to Path. Go ahead and click that, and then click Install Now. If you are prompted with the User Account Control menu that asks you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your computer, go ahead and click Yes. And then Python will go ahead and install. The installation depends on the speed of your computer, but usually it takes 2 to 3 minutes to install everything. The final screen that you should see here is if the setup was successful. You'll see the setup was successful screen. Go ahead and click the Close button. The next thing we need to do is check to make sure that Python is installed. The easiest way to do this is to go down to your search box here in the taskbar, and then just type in command, C-O-M-M-A-N-D, and then you should see a result for a command prompt. Go ahead and click on that, and then just type in Python space dash and then capital V as in Victor. It has to be capitalized. Hit enter. And then what you should see is it just tells you what version is installed. In this case, it's Python 3.8. And that, my friends, is it. That's how you install Python on Windows 10. Thank you.